everybody. So this video is a quick hello to give you a little bit of an update and just to let you know I'm filming some things this weekend as well, or at least one video I'm going to try to film and then edit and get up for this week. This one I'm going to try to make kind of casual, kind of quick, just so I don't have to edit it a lot so I can get it out now. But the next one that I'll be filming, I'll have to do a little bit of editing too and get that up. So this is more just to say hi. The last time I came on here, I gave you an update to let you know that I was going to the dentist to get a crown or like the prep work for the crown. So that happened. It went fine. It was all good. Then after that, a couple of days later, I had a massive cold sore on my lip, so around this section here, and it was about 2 weeks. So that only just disappeared this weekend. Yeah, it was a pain, literally, as well. It really hurt. There's a few times where it was splitting. It was just really uncomfortable. I hadn't had a cold sore in a really long time, particularly one this bad. It's been years since I had one this bad. So it was just really painful to speak too much or to move my mouth too much, and I couldn't wear makeup. That on top of everything else that was happening, I just hadn't had a chance to film. And of course it happened when my birthday was happening, which sucks to have a massive cold sore on your birthday. But, you know, there's worse things, so that's fine. I'm going back this Wednesday, coming to finally get the crown. So thankfully my cold sore cleared up before then, because otherwise I would not have been able to open my mouth to have the dental work done. It was so sore. Yeah, so lucky that timing worked out well. Yeah, there's a few things that I've been thinking about filming. I really want to do my garden update and reshuffle some of the plants and things like that and bring you along. But it has been terrible weather, absolutely atrocious. We're in, I think they call it La Nina, so it's wet seasons, or like wet rain essentially. My plants are not enjoying it. The tomatoes in particular, they do not like the humid, wet weather. Hoping to get some sun. Really need to mow the lawn because that is way overdue. But it's just so soggy and wet, and it just won't stop raining. So yeah, I'll have to put back the garden project and the garden video until I get some decent weather on a day that I'm actually able to film. So fingers crossed it clears up at least enough that I can take you out and show you my stuff, and maybe even reorganize some of the pots that I have on my outside veranda, patio, alfresco area, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so everything else is going okay. I am now a year older than I was the last time I spoke with you, so that happened. Yeah. I think there's not too much else, really. Nothing too exciting. Anything exciting happening in your life? Anything you want to update me on? I enjoy reading the comments to see how you're all going as well, so feel free to leave me a comment below if there's anything that you're wanting to chat about, or any questions that you have, or recommendations, suggestions, anything like that. Always looking forward to reading the comments and having a talk. One thing I was thinking about filming, and I might dedicate a whole video to it because it is perfume related, which is it's one of my bigger passions, I think, is perfume. I've always enjoyed fragrances ever since I was a little girl. Fragrances and nail polish seem to be the two things, if you can't tell from what's behind me, that I gravitate towards too, and I really enjoy. So as far as fragrances go, there's a website that you can actually upload all of the fragrances that you have, or that you had, or that you want, and create like a perfume wardrobe, I think they call it. So if you're interested in me sharing that with you, it's not sponsored or anything like that, it's just something that I I stumbled across it a long time ago, and I generally use it when I'm looking up perfumes or doing some research. But yeah, if you want to see, I think I can share it publicly, my perfume wardrobe in a link where then you can see what I own, because I thought that would be a really nice and easy way that you could, I guess, browse and peruse my perfume collection. And if there's any fragrances in particular that you want more details about or a review on that I haven't already done on my channel, you can comment and let me know, or send me a message and let me know which ones you're interested in seeing. That way, you know, it's easy to miss, and my collection does change frequently. If I'm getting rid of something or adding new things to my collection. It's hard to remember the things that I got rid of, but I've added as much there as I possibly could. And I'm going through and I've updated, I'm pretty much up to date apart from some of the new stuff, which you'll see in the next video, which I'll need to add. So I've added my own wardrobe to samples as well, because I have a lot of samples, so the small vial sizes. I considered anything less than 10 mils to be a sample size, and anything 10 mils or more I put into my full perfume wardrobe, because 10 mils is sort of like a really large premium sample size, but enough that you can get quite a few uses from it. Anything less than that is really a tester for me, or like a sample vial. So I've put it in another wardrobe called sample vials, which I will need to update because that one is behind at the moment. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, let me know, and I'll make a video about that, and I'll share my perfume wardrobe with you, and I'll try to see, I'll test it myself to see if I can get a public link to that wardrobe, and that way you can see it and interact, or not interact with it, but at least see what I've got, and you'll know what I have, and I'll update it, and you can yeah, check it. I don't check messages or anything there, so if you contact me that way I won't really see it. I don't know if that's even a thing or if that works, but the best way to contact me is actually through YouTube or Instagram. If you send me a message or just leave a comment, I will see the comments. I get notifications when I get comments on the videos. I've turned that on for me, so I don't want to miss any of the comments that come through. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, there's nothing else. It's already long enough. That's a long, short update. But I hope you're all doing really, really well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which I'll be filming now, but it'll probably be up maybe next week after I've gotten a chance to edit it. But feel free to leave me any comments or questions or anything you want to talk about below, and I will keep in touch. Until then, I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you're having a fantastic morning, day, or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.